What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to have a short discussion on the topic applications of artificial intelligence. So guys, before we actually begin the content for this video, just looking at this title or this topic of discussion, you will agree with me when we say, realistically speaking, there is so much to speak about for this topic. Artificial intelligence is not just limited to, the technology domain or the tech industry. In real world, it can be expanded and integrated into several other domains. For example, the fashion industry, the construction industry, and so on and so forth. So let's get straight to it. In this post, we will attempt to look at a few of the many fields that AI may contribute to. A few avenues that employ artificial intelligence in modern times are as follows. Number 1, gaming. In strategic games like chess, poker, tic-tac-toe, and others, AI plays a critical role since the machine can think of a vast number of probable locations based on heuristic knowledge. Number 2, natural language processing. An avenue in which it is possible to communicate with a computer that understands human natural language. A common example of a natural language is English. Number 3, expert systems. Some applications use a combination of machine, software, and special data to provide reasoning and advice. They explain things to the users and give them advice. Number 4, computer vision systems. Visual input on the computer is understood, interpreted, and comprehended by these systems. Consider the following scenarios. A spy plane captures photos that are used to deduce spatial information or create a map of the area. To diagnose a patient, doctors use a clinical expert system. Police utilize computer software that compares a criminal's face to a stored portrait created by a forensic artist. Number 5, speech recognition. While a person speaks to it, certain intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meanings. It can cope with a variety of accents, slang terms, background noise, changes in human sounds due to cold, and so forth. Number 6, handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition program reads words written with a pen on paper or a stylus on a computer screen. It is capable of recognizing letter forms and converting them into editable text. Number 7, intelligent robots. Robots are capable of doing human-like jobs. They are equipped with sensors that sense physical data from the real world, such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, collision, and pressure. To demonstrate intelligence, they have powerful computers, several sensors, and large memory. Furthermore, they are capable of learning from their mistakes and adapting to new situations. Okay guys, so with that is what we have for this video, in which we spoke about a few of the many applications of artificial intelligence. If you guys would, like to comment down below your favorite application of artificial intelligence in the modern world, feel free to do so and I will be glad to respond to you. So with that guys, thanks for watching, thanks for staying till the end of the video, good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.